Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. We may be headed towards Area 51 today in the extraterrestrial highway. I don't know. There's going to be a fork in the road out that way that I'm going to have to make a decision on which way to go. We're just waiting for the sun to come up a little bit more. Meanwhile, I'm just making up some sausages this morning. Might make a couple of eggs, some English muffins. Probably have another coffee. We're going to be on our way. So we ended up here in Caliente, Nevada last night and stayed in this parking lot over to the right there behind the St. Clair station. And coincidentally, or not, if you watched the last video, the steam engine, the 4014 we seen back in Modena, Utah, Caliente was its next stop. So I actually had a nice view of it last night. Sitting here right out my window was the 4014 sitting for the night. 4014 departed at 8 a.m. this morning, so I had to, of course, run across the street and see it off. Probably the last time I'll probably ever see the 4014 in person. Who knows? Caliente has this, for the size of the town, it has this magnificent train depot. And I think now it's been converted into the city hall. And I think part of it here on the right is a bit of a railroad museum. Here's something I find a little bit odd, is this canyon up here on the left. This is where the railroad and the highway go separate ways. That canyon on the left is actually named the Pennsylvania Canyon. Now, I don't know, how does a canyon out in Nevada get named the Pennsylvania Canyon? Maybe there was an event, I don't know, maybe a Pennsylvania Railroad train came out this way on a mission, I have no idea, or if it's just random. It'd be interesting to know how and why that canyon got named the Pennsylvania Canyon. But anyway, we're going to get out the road here towards the extraterrestrial highway, Area 51, and all that stuff. It's funny how you can tell you're getting into a different region of the country by the plant life. Here we've run into an area that has some Joshua trees, and we'll probably be seeing them in different areas here as we get down further to the southwest. have entered ET or extraterrestrial country. I think we must be getting close to Area 51. ET fresh jerky, okay, from Area 51. And there's a spaceship up there transporting the cows up into the ship. That's pretty cool. Too bad it wasn't a little bit later in the day where the sun's over illuminating the billboard better. But you gotta check out this mural up here. Well, same thing. I wish the sun was over here a little bit, but okay. This mural. Now, here's something I didn't know. Okay. Did you know there are cowboy aliens? That must be Area 51. There's a building and all the satellite dishes. That's pretty cool. More more cowboy aliens. They must have put a wrap on that spaceship. ET fresh jerky wrap. And aliens in a stagecoach. That's pretty cool. Anyway, they have this little store. They got jerky and other snacks. Maybe I'll get some ET jerky. Interesting. Wonder if those are inflatables. Well, I wasn't really in the mood for jerky today, but I did get some radioactive soda, some dried apricots. Sorry, Bella, they didn't have any doggy snacks, but we'll find you something. Huh? We'll find you something, girl. Well, we came up the road a little bit, and there's this huge alien right here. Okay. I don't know. There's cows right across the street. This doesn't seem the best place to have cows in Area 51. Now, this is funny. It's like we're having an alien party back here with Marilyn Monroe. There's a spaceship. A lot of people have signed this wall. Some cool shirts. I've seen some interesting masks up here, but more like the Borg. If you've watched Star Trek: The Next Generation, this is kind of Borg style, or a combination of maybe Mad Max. Well, we won't be going this way, okay? Photography is prohibited, drones are prohibited. No trespassing. Maximum punishment, $1,000 fine or 6 months imprisonment. Or both. So. Yeah, this Area 51, the lady in the alien store said it goes from here. Where the heck we at anyway? I forget. I'll have to put it down in the... It's huge. All the way down to Las Vegas and all the way out to Something Springs. The whole Area 51 area is huge. As a matter of fact, decision time on which way to go from here. Sign said next gas 150 miles. I have plenty of gas, that's not the issue, but in other words, there's nothing. This is a long stretch of nothing, and I have to weigh the rewards, what's on the other end. I don't know. There's towns every once in a while, at least going down towards Las Vegas. I might go down that way and head west. I don't feel like driving 150 miles straight. My last experience doing that was there's limited pull-offs, and I don't know. At least with towns you can stop and do something or take a break. Just pulling off the side of a long lone highway like that, I don't know if I want to go that way. I'll have to figure it out. Well, that was a pretty easy decision to make, given the recent events with the Bounder having that radiator leak and putting a Band-Aid on it with the bars leak. I don't know. That could last a day, a week, a year. It's just been too soon just to start heading off. Or there's nothing. There might be like a cafe, I think she said. Why it's out there, I don't know. But that's like the only thing for 150 miles. So it's certainly not an auto parts store out there, or no gas for 150 miles. We're going to stay where there's a town every now and again, and heading in the direction of Las Vegas, which, you know, has every major store known to mankind. So we're going to play it safe and stay in a direction where there's things available. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. How's your little nap going? You taking a little break? Having a little nappy poo over there? You ready to go? Like, yeah, whatever. So that wakes me up. That gets me out of my nap. I was doing good just sitting here relaxing. Okay, we just left that store back there. The store is actually called the Alien Research Center in Crystal Springs, Nevada. And the gas here, we're just left the south side of town. That's not bad, $3.09 a gallon for Nevada. That's actually not too bad. And I really don't know how many towns, if any, are really this way before Las Vegas, but it's the safer bet. Las Vegas is closer than going the other way to anything, any resources. So I'm playing it safe, and we're going this way. And yeah, this is the better way. Next gas, 73 miles going this way. Can you imagine, just imagine where you live if the nearest gas was 73 miles away or 150 miles away. That's living pretty remotely. Okay, we're gonna get down the road. Well, somehow we ended up down in Las Vegas anyway. We're just on the north side of the city. And you might hear some noise other than the traffic noise. Just goes to show it's always something. Okay. Alright. My rechargeable Dirt Devil vacuum cleaner won't shut off. So I got a screwdriver, I dug the power button out, pushed on it some more, and it just won't shut off. Little circuit board in there went bad, or the button went bad. I actually popped the internal button off the circuit board. It still runs. So time for another vacuum cleaner. I got about a year out of that one. I think I bought that when I bought the Bounder. Anyway, we're not staying in Las Vegas. We're gonna continue west, northwest, up into, there's somewhere new I want to go. Got my sights on something new. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next time. I did get it to quit running. Time for a new one.